Good morning, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Good morning. It is, what's today, the 5th? Today's the 5th, Friday, February 5th. And we are going to announce our Super Bowl Party Box winner. Super Bowl Party Box winner. Good morning, everybody. It's 6:30 a.m. I've been working here for a little bit, getting ready to go for my run. Right after this, and I think it's going to be another dark run. My run yesterday was in the dark. Today's run should be in the dark, but I have a headlamp, and I'm going to go out and get 3 miles in right now. But I wanted to announce the Super Bowl Party Box winner. So right now, we've picked a winner. We've picked a winner to win the box. We had a ton of comments, by the way, ton of shares. So thank you, everybody who played our fun game. If you just a quick recap, we have this great Super Bowl Party Box. It's $169. It's a $204 value. And if you were to go on and comment on our post or share our post, we automatically entered you into a contest to win a party box. And we used a program, commentpicker.com, randomly picks a comment and creates a little post for us. So we just went and posted the winner. I just went and posted the winner on our Facebook. My assistant's now going through everybody's comments and sending you the link where the post is so you can go see who the winner is. It might be you. So good morning, everybody. Good morning, Sean. Hi, Rita. Susan. Kit. Good morning, everybody tuning in. Teresa. So good morning, everybody. So the winner's announced. It's on our Facebook page. Hi, Sabrina. Hi, Dawn. So the winner's announced on our Facebook page right now. If you enter the contest, we're going through, and my assistant's going through right now and dropping the link on your comment or your share so you can go see who won. I'm not going to give up the winner in this post, in this Facebook Live. So you're going to have to head over and check out our Facebook page to do that. And you're already on our Facebook page, so it's easy because you're already there. So as soon as this ends, go check it out, the winner. I've created a list of the top 7 items for Super Bowl. Of course, the boxes are still for sale. The party boxes are still for sale. They're an amazing value. We sold a decent amount of them. But if you just wanted like mac and cheese or just pulled pork sandwiches or something that's not even on the list, like wings, I've created our Super Bowl top 7 food items. That list will be published very soon. My assistant's getting ready to do the graphic arts on that, and we'll post that with the prices. There's going to be lobster mac and cheese on there. There's some good stuff in there. Of course, our frozen margarita pizzas. So that's the story with that. I hope everybody's hope everybody has a great day, a great weekend, enjoys the Super Bowl. So good morning, everybody tuning in. Thanks for tuning in on the live here. Just drop a comment if you're tuning in live, #live, or on the replay, #replay. So lives are always on Facebook. Replays are on Facebook too. Sometimes we'll take these videos and post them onto YouTube, so you can always get replays on YouTube, and they're categorized on YouTube. So let's see. What else? What am I missing? The Peel and Eat Cajun Shrimp is happening right now. It's $9.99. Takeout social. That's available on Super Bowl Sunday too. So if you want our Cajun Peel and Eat Shrimp, you can easily get that on Super Bowl Sunday, $9.99. We also do our mussels and shrimp special on Super Bowl Sunday, on Sundays. That'll be available this Sunday. So we got a lot going on for Super Bowl Sunday. Got a lot going on right now, today, tomorrow. I got to get up for my run, and then I got to head to Newark, New Jersey, and pick up a bunch of things for the restaurant. Busy day for me. Got a bunch of guests checking into the Airbnb today. Super busy day for me here. So congratulations to our winner. Our winner is announced. Our winner is posted on Facebook. Go check out our winner. Thanks for everybody for playing that fun game. We're going to do a lot more contests. We'll be using that program, commentpicker.com. And it's an app basically that goes through and rounds up everybody's name and randomly picks it. So we don't have to like put everybody's name in a hat and switch around and pull and draw. Nothing like that. We're going to be giving a cowboy steak away here pretty soon. I got a beautiful crystal decanter for wine. So our wine fans out there, we'll be doing a contest on our one page, on our VIP page. let's see. That's it, folks. Got to get going. Got to get up for my run and head to New Jersey. Everybody have an amazing, amazing day, and we'll talk to you later. Again, go check out, see who won, and stay tuned for more contests.